Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And topic of my today's lecture is Unseen Passage. Now, let us first look at some tips and tricks so as to how to attempt unseen passage exercise. First of all, we have to read the complete passage very carefully. Then we have to try to understand the meaning of every word in context to the passage. After reading the passage thoroughly, we have to turn to the questions that follow and try to find the answers. We have to check our answers before writing them. We have to remember that answer should be in the same tense in which the question is given, and answer the questions on the basis of the information given in the passage. We need not add our own views, expressions, and imagination. We have to try to answer the questions in our own words, but strictly to the point and as briefly as possible. We have to see that every answer is clear and complete in itself. And then we have to revise our answers carefully to avoid any mistake. Most importantly, time management should be followed by the student. Now let us see an unseen passage exercise. Now let us study the very first passage. Power foods are foods that provide rich levels of nutrients like fiber, potassium, and minerals. With people becoming increasingly health conscious today, a lot of fitness trainers encourage their clients to include these foods in their daily diet to increase muscle development. There are various ways of incorporating power foods in your daily diet. Of course, the key to enjoying power foods is proper preparation of these foods, the use of seasoned fresh foods, and identifying your choice of flavor among power foods. So by reading the very first passage, we can easily come to know that it is talking about power foods and how in contemporary times it is being incorporated in daily diet so as to increase muscle development and other such benefits. Now in the last 2-3 lines, please see this. Of course, the key to enjoying power foods is proper preparation of these foods, the use of seasoned fresh foods. So here the author is telling about the main key to enjoy power foods, like preparing it with correct type of foods which are seasoned fresh and choice of flavor which exists among the power food. Now let us look at the second paragraph. Some of the recommended power food combinations are those that are prepared in our kitchens on a regular basis. Take for instance the combination of chickpeas and onions. This combination is a powerful source of iron which is required by the body to transport oxygen to its various parts. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, fatigue, brain fog, and tiredness. A study by the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry says that sulfur compounds in onion and garlic help in the absorption of iron and zinc from chickpeas. The combination is a hit with teenagers who need to be diligent about getting iron in their diet. A quick way to prepare this power food is to make a chickpea salad with chopped onions, chaat masala, and cilantro. So here very first power food is described as combination of chickpeas and onions. And in this passage we come to know that how chickpeas can lead to iron building in the blood, and one can defeat anemia. Now coming to the third passage, another favorite combination with power food takers is yogurt and bananas. This makes for a perfect snack after a rough game of football. Exercising bumps glucose and thus lowers blood sugar. Yogurt is packed with proteins that help preserve muscle mass, and bananas are packed with carbohydrates that help in refueling energy and preventing muscle soreness. A quick and easy recipe with banana is a banana smoothie topped with cool yogurt. Another power food is yogurt and banana, which has been described in this passage, and importance of yogurt and banana has been given. Next passage, among beverages, green tea is the best source of catechins that are effective in halting oxidative damage to cells. According to researchers at the Purdue University, adding a dash of lemon juice to green tea makes the catechins even more easily absorbable by the body. So the next time you have, instead of our friends, serve them rounds of iced green tea with mint and lemon juice. So in this passage, beneficial qualities of green tea is being described, how it is antioxidant. Now let us see some questions regarding this passage. First question, what are power foods? What are the rules regarding the partaking of power foods? What is the advantage of including onions and garlic in our diet? Suggest a quick recipe with chickpea and onions. Why is yogurt and bananas an enriching power food? Why is green tea a recommended power food? What is the advantage of combining green tea with lemon juice? What is the key to enjoying power foods in a wholesome way? Now, let us look at the first question and its answer. What are power foods? First answer, power foods are foods which provide rich levels of nutrients like fiber, potassium, and minerals. Second question, what are rules regarding partaking of power foods? So the answer is, power foods should be prepared properly using seasoned fresh foods and identifying one's choice of flavor among power foods. These both answers come from passage 1, which we had earlier discussed. This passage was actually an introduction to power food, and answer B was the key of maintaining power food in your diet. Next question, what is advantage of including onion and garlic in your diet? Answer, onion and garlic help in the absorption of iron and zinc from the chickpeas. Next question, suggest a quick recipe with chickpeas and onion. A quick way to prepare chickpea and onions is to make a chickpea salad with chopped onions, chaat masala, and cilantro. Now the answer C and D both come from the passage 2, which we had earlier discussed, and it was about chickpea and onions, the combination of the power food of the combination of chickpea and onions. So in last few lines we had come across the recipe of the chickpea salad. Now next question, why is yogurt and banana an enriching food? Answer, yogurt is full of proteins that help preserve muscle mass, and bananas are packed with carbohydrates that help in refueling energy and preventing muscle soreness. Now this answer E comes from the passage 3, and again earlier we had discussed about the power food of yogurt and banana, which they are asking in question E. Now, next question. Why is green tea recommended as a power food? Answer. Green tea contains catechins which are effective in halting oxidative damage to cells. Next question. What is advantage of green tea and lemon juice? Answer. Combining green tea with lemon juice helps the body to absorb catechins more easily. Both answer F and G comes from the passage 4, which describes the beneficial properties of green tea. Last question. What is key to enjoying power food in a wholesome way? Answer. Power foods can be enjoyed in a wholesome way by including them in our daily diet to increase muscle development. This completes question and answer exercise, and I hope all of you students have understood how we are getting answers from the passage. With every question described, we have to go back to that related passage and read that whole particular passage and extract the answer to the point and brief. Though we have to use our own words, but we have to be precise. That answer is always brief and to the point. There should be no sensationalism and your own views or your own ideas. You just have to write the answer as given in the passage in your own words. Then only it will be correct. Thank you.